All right, in this lesson, we're going to combine what we learned with the left hand. Remember this? And what we just learned the last lesson, which is the. So we're going to combine that. And when you combine those two, you can be able to create a variation of different rhythmic pattern. You can be able to play them in different ways. So with the left hand, you just play. Okay, just do that. Keep playing the left hand like that. Now with the right hand, what we're going to do is we're going to take what we learned from the last lesson. See? So what I'm doing with the right hand, I'm just playing this. So you do the same thing. Okay, now you want to move over to the F. Same thing. And you can play different patterns. Now the whole key is that you want to become comfortable playing this three notes. So even if you start off with, and then you go to the F, the whole idea here is that you want to utilize the three notes that you learned to incorporate it in your playing. So you do the C, and then you go to the F, and then you go to the G, and then you go back to the C. So you want to practice that. So now you're combining the left hand and the right hand. This is exciting. So you got the left hand arpeggiation going, and then you playing with with the right hand. So that's what playing the piano is all about. When you want to create music, you have to use both hands. And when you use both hands, you're bringing different dynamics together at the same time, which is really exciting. So you just play. Now, with a songwriter, someone that who loves to write songs, they can use just this three notes right here, what they've learned right here. They can use just that to write a song that can be an inspiration for a song. So if you listen to the pattern, it needs to flow. So what I mean by it needs to flow, for example, it needs to be like this. Instead of being choppy, like, and then you stop trying to find the notes, and then you pause. If you play like that, you notice that it just doesn't have that flow, So you want to make sure that you get the flow of this down pack. So you're moving from one to the next, and you just keep the flow going. So as you incorporate other things, then it's going to sound even better. So let's do this one more time. So get your left hand going. If you have to take some more time just to practice that, you do that. And then you do this. Okay, so you got the left hand and you want to incorporate, the right hand. So there you have it. Practice that. Make sure that you have that down pat. And what I mean by that is you want to be able to play that without making any mistakes at all. It needs to flow just the way that I played it. Everything needs to flow. Keep that in mind when you play music. If your music doesn't flow, it's going to lose the purpose for creating it. So your music needs to flow at all times. So if you have to spend more time practicing, then that's exactly what you do. Let's move on to the next lesson.